Hey guys! Okay, so today we are super excited. We are going to do an unboxing of the new NCT127 album and GOT7 spinning top. Yeah. We are so excited. We've been waiting. Yeah, this came out a while ago. This also came out a while ago, but this just came in like to the States yesterday, I think. Or no, a couple days ago. So yeah, we're so excited. Yeah, so we thought we would unbox it here with you guys. So we also got posters. We ordered these off of Amazon, and they gave us free posters with the purchase of our albums. I think that's mine, yeah. So for the GOT7 album, this is what we got for them. Oh, oh, oh. Was I covering your man? Yeah. His face. There we go. Paige. Is it all from Paige? That's my favorite song. Cute. They might be stickers. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. So the first thing that came with this is these stickers, and it looks like everything might be from the song Paige, which, like she said, is her favorite song. And then also in there, oh my god. JB, oh my gosh, look at Mark. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh, that is my man. Oh my. Wow. Do you see that? I see it. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright, well that's a good start for not even opening the album yet. Beautiful. Alrighty. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. I never like know what to do with my hands. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Did I miss something? Oh yeah. I got one of my Young Jae jacket. Her album jacket is Young Jae. Oh my! Let's see if I can like show this off to y'all. Oh my! You can take it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It slides out like that. Thank you. Oh my gosh! Look. Okay, so maybe this is like God telling me like this should be your bias. Yeah. You know what I mean? And I love him so much. I mean, I just feel like he doesn't get like the most love in the world. Yeah, he deserves it all also, so. Well, he can get it all from me because he is amazingly beautiful and has the most beautiful voice I've ever heard. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! How lucky was that? Oh. That's not okay. That's not okay. Cindy would freak. Oh my. Oh, look at Mark's hair. Oh my gosh. I love them. Oh! JB's just coming with the good pics. Oh, hold on. Yeah, go ahead. Yes. Go ahead. This is my bias. Just in case you wanted to know. Wow, I'm not okay. He looks beautiful. I'm not okay. Just got so hot in here. Oh, did we also mention that we will be seeing them in the cinema? We'll be seeing them July 3rd. July 3rd, yeah, in Dallas. We may or may not have gotten row A on the floor and maybe up against the barricade, but I don't know. We'll see. I mean, that is what we got, but yeah. We're super excited. Oh my god. I'm shaking. I was like, he's so hot. He's my bias. Mark's my bias, but Yuyum is my... Comes for her often. Yeah, like, for a long time it was between the two of them, like it was for Kaylee until, 2 seconds ago. Yeah, 2 seconds ago. Like, I love him. He is a great dancer, and she loves dancers. Photo cards. This is the best part. Oh my... Such a cute picture. Oh my gosh. She got Bam Bam and Jin Young. How cute. Oh, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. That's adorable. That is so cute. I love me. Are they saying that?
I love Jin Young.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love them.
Oh my,
Look at them. Look at his.
Youngjae can
Look at
go.
his mouth. I can't.
This is so pretty.
Is this not beautiful?
He needs to be that. Wow. I want.
I love the coloring.
I want. I don't know what I want, but I want.
I'm not kidding.
I love it. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. Look at Jin Young's face. Look at Mark.
Yeah, no, he's the first thing I saw when I looked at the hell. What's he trying to accomplish with that? Not a good thing.
Yeah.
I can't live.
This is. I have 2 GOT7 albums.
Look at the chest. Moment of silence for the chest.
His pectoral muscles.
In his chest.
Please. Why?
Why? The chest. Well,
That was great.
I'm so glad that I got what I
But
got.
I'm alive.
Thank God I made it through that. Yes, I'm very.
Do you want to show them the other photo cards you got? This came
Yeah.
with
Yeah. Very nice. Wow. This was the answer I needed to my questions, and now I know.
Yeah.
I love him. And then the photo cards that came with mine is this really like grungy picture, which I really like. And then I got a
Those are just from
of Mark.
the person that sent them, I guess.
Yeah, they came from
They're
like,
like
the seller.
They don't come from
Yeah.
Spinning Top.
Yeah. They just came free with the album, so wow. Okay. Well, now that I'm serious, let's get on to yours.
Okay, I'm so excited.
I'm excited.
Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what the album looks like. And mine came with, I'll show the photo cards first, like the unofficial ones. I got Mark, Johnny, and Jaehyun. And I'm in love. And then I got 2 posters. This is the group photo. It's amazing. Like, I'm gonna find a way to put this on my wall. It's so good.
Ooh.
It made sound. That was
It did.
satisfying.
It was really nice.
Okay. Oh, wow. We're starting off good.
I like his outfit.
Oh!
I like his face.
Which one?
Whatever that is.
This is Jaehyun.
Yeah.
Yeah. He
Yeah.
is breathtaking.
Beautiful.
I'm like actually kind of speechless right now. Mark. I've been having major Mark Lee feelings lately. Like,
she likes the marks.
I do, apparently. But I just want to be like his best friend.
He's
And
adorable.
more.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love him. Yes.
Wow.
Oh. Oh, and Jungwoo is my main bias wrecker.
I love their
FYI.
outfits.
Yeah.
I really like their outfits. Nice.
Oh man.
I like all the writing and like
Yes.
patchwork that's all on it.
They are. This is great. I like that. Jacket.
I love him.
Yeah. I love him
love
too.
him.
I love him. Oh my. My photo card is coming and I'm stressed. Oh gosh.
Wow.
Also, I love, like, I don't know if this one will, but all NCT albums that I've bought have all of the lyrics in English, like, translation.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I love that.
That's nice.
Haechan, why? He just turned 19 yesterday. Yeah.
Korean age?
No.
Okay.
Normally.
Thank God. 'Cause I was gonna
Oh! Okay, yes. Mark Lee. Yes. Like, just Mark Lee.
Wow.
He's coming for me bad.
He has a beautiful forehead.
Yeah, he's a beautiful face.
Yeah.
Yes.
He looks like
the
a sexy
leader. Yeah, I think. No, I'm gonna cut this out. Zelda. You know,
Yes.
Yeah. He
Yes.
just
That's
like
exactly
it.
what my mind was going
Yeah.
to. I used to have
But
a
Link
huge crush
turned-
on Link.
Yeah. Yes. Why are we? We've always like decades. Yeah. And
I used to play it on the
he's
PC.
like a living form of Link from Zelda.
Yeah, he's so hot.
Yeah,
He's
he looks like a little elf in like the best way.
Yeah.
Hot.
Is he short?
No.
Oh.
Oh, there he is again.
Wow. We love a hooded elf.
Mark Lee! Mark Lee! I don't even know what to say right now.
God. What?
I need answers. I need to talk to his parents. He's staring into my soul. This is just... Ow! He's coming for me.
This is Zap the elf.
So
Yeah, I like him.
Oh
That's
my
the
gosh,
poster.
yes. He is beautiful.
Yeah. His lips are, he has really pretty like pouty lips.
Yeah,
I
I love his nose.
Yeah, it's cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
I need to rip something. Yeah, it is. If it's Johnny, I'm gonna have to end the video. There. What? Ah! Ah! There are two things. There are two things. And I wasn't ready. I think it's Hae-chung. Yeah. Okay. I knew it. Mark.
Oh my god.
What is
this?
I need to talk to Mark's parents.
Yeah. He needs to stop.
I don't know what this is, but this is like the cutest little Jungwoo
yeah, it's like holographic.
thing.
It's really cute.
Hae-chung, I don't have him yet.
So cute.
So cute. It says his name on the back, I guess. And at the same time, this picture of Mark was on, and I just really don't understand right now. This is just their little SM thing. Okay. Oh, it's still happening!
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, I love him.
Yeah. Wow. It's Jungkook's age.
I love that.
Oh my gosh! I literally can't contain my life when I look at him.
But like the hottest gorilla.
The hottest.
His hair.
He's wearing a mesh see-through shirt. Who allowed that?
SM.
SM Entertainment, I guess. I'm so over Mark Lee right now.
Calling his parents now.
I'm so over it. I'm so over it.
Yeah, he's rude.
I'm so over Johnny too. Like, I've been over Johnny.
They're rude.
Just kidding. I'm not over Johnny. I want to marry Johnny. Purple highlight. I'm attacked. Oh my.
Look at that like one piece of trash.
Yeah.
Paper clipped onto his back. We love that.
So good. Okay. It's
Wow.
Over. It's over.
Well, that was beautiful while it lasted.
Yeah, it was.
That was so
wow. I am
cute.
so
I'm
happy.
sorry you didn't get Johnny.
Oh, it's okay. I got Johnny right here, and I love all of them. So it's okay. And Mark Lee is coming for me. In conclusion,
Yeah, in conclusion.
that's uncalled for.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Check the description box down below for all our social medias. Like and subscribe this video, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!
Just know, I'm doing fine lately. Just know, I'm doing fine as long as I got you.